Okay, before a second. Okay, so in today's class, we'll see the milling operation. So before starting the program, you need to see the our particular drawing will be made in inch mode or metric mode. So by default, it's showing inch mode. So first, you need to go to settings, click on unit for analyze millimeters, and see the file, the metric. Okay, so then click on OK. So you'll see it's in right now metric mode. Click F9 button on keyboard to get the axis on blue screen. Okay, then you need to draw the geometry first. So select I will select okay. Okay, I will select rectangle command. So create rectangle. So from here you can just give the dimension. I'll select 50 by 50 and Z I want 5. Okay. So again go to XForm, solid, extrude. So I want to extrude this particular job along Z axis by let's say 10 mm. I will keep it 25 mm. So this green arrow will indicate the direction of extrusion. So it will extrude along upward direction or along downward direction. So if you want to reverse the direction, just click on reverse direction. It will change the direction of its height. Okay, just click on top view. So now it is in the this particular form. Okay, so just click on the top view. Now first what we'll do the stock setup. Okay, so go to machine type mill default. If this particular software is linked to existing CNC machine, these are the names of the CNC machines which are already there. If your machine is not listed, you can configure that particular machine from the list. Okay, right now I'm selecting default. So once you click on default in operation manager, you'll see the machine group. Then inside the properties, click on stock setup. So this is a rectangular type of block. So I will keep it rectangular. You can give the dimension from here also, or it's better to do it with the help of bounding box. Just click on bounding box. It will bound that particular existing box. Just click 1 mm along X, Y, and Z axis. Okay. You can see my dimension was 50 by 50 by 25. Here 1 mm is increase on both the direction, positive and negative for each axis. So right now the dimension of 52, 52 and 27. If you want to see that particular job, you can see it is red color. Okay, this is a red color. Okay, now first operation, contouring. So click on counter, it will ask for the path where to select, where to save this particular file. Then it will ask for the tool path. Okay, so this will be the path. From here the tool will start to travel and it will end its final position. Okay, just click on OK, select the counter operation, then tool. There are right now no any tools which are present. Click on library. So there are so many tools which are there. If you want to filter those particular tool, you can just filter them from this particular list. You can see here end mill flat tool, end mill spear tool, then this is face mill tool, this is remote tool. There are so many types of tools which are already there. Just click on them. So here I will select flat end mill tool having diameter 1 mm. Okay, click OK. So here you can see inside that particular tab There is a one tool is there. If you want to modify that tool, just double click on that. You'll see the tool number, head offset, flute height, shoulder height, overall height, diameter of the tool. And if you want to modify those things from here also, you can just change the value. Okay. So there are both way you can modify the dimension of the tool. Right now it's 1.5 mm diameter. You can see diameter, dia, it's 1.5. These are the other parameter like tool offset, diameter offset, height. Okay. Then click on holder. If you want to modify the holder dimension, just click on that. So here the height of the holder is 40, upper diameter is 30, lower diameter is 25. Okay. Then cutting parameter. So this will be the right side compensation. Tool will be traveling on the right side of the job. So that's why it is right side compensation. So click on right side. Other parameter, keep it as it is. Depth of cut. So maximum rough cut, I will keep 0.5. Okay, finish step 1. Then lead and lead out. How the tool is going to approach towards the workpiece and how it is going to come out. So off, breakthrough if you want to go below the job, and if you want to go it, how much you want to go it. Okay, so just put the value -1. Then click on multipass. So you need to mention the rough cut, so number and spacing. Okay, how much must be the spacing. So you can keep 0.5, you can increase the numbers. So that things which are flexible over here. Then tabs, no need to modify anything here. This is very important, linking parameter. So in linking parameter, you can see the tool position and you can see the workpiece position. Okay, so here the retract position, this is feed plane from where it is going to come down and going to come out from that particular job. Okay, so you can say the reference plane also. Top of the stock, what is the height of the top at the top? If you don't know, just click on the top of the stock and click it here. Okay, it will show 0, 0, but we have used the stock having the 1 mm extra. Keep it 1. Depth, if you don't remember the height of the stock, just click on the depth. So this is the depth and 1 mm extra because we have added the stock over there. So 26. Just click OK. We'll see this is a toolpath which is generated. If you want to see the animation, just click on OK. So this is how it will look like. Okay, so this is how we have removed the 1 mm extra material from all the sides. Is it clear? Now, second operation, drilling operation. So drilling is very simple operation. It will ask to select the point on the job. So I will just click it here. If you know the coordinate, just put the coordinates in X and Y position. Once it is done, click OK. Select the drill. So inside the tools, go to library. There are various drill tools which are already there. So as per the drill diameter, you can select the drill bit. So 1 mm. I'm selecting drill of 1 mm. Then holder, no need to modify anything. Cutting parameter, no need to modify anything. Okay, so in linking parameter, it will ask I want -5. That is enough for me. Just click OK. flat end mill of having diameter 5 mm. Folder cutting parameters. Okay. Roughing. So which way you want to do the rough cut. Entry positions. If you want to keep it off or if you want to keep it on, can select. Finishing, in and out, depth of cut, how much depth you want, then breakthrough, we don't want the breakthrough, then linking parameter and depth. So depth you can select from the geometry. I'm giving -5. Okay, -5. That is the depth. So if you want to see into the animation, just click on animation. Okay. So this is how you can see the pocket which is made on that particular job. If you want to hide the tool, just click on hide. Okay. Then next operation, I'll remove the material from the face. Okay. So I'm selecting the face and this is a facing operation. So for face, there is a different tool which is available. You can select from the library. So this is your face mill. So you can select this particular tool. So face mill. So I'm selecting 50 diameter tool. Quite huge tool is there. Okay, it will look like this, which is used for the facing operation. It is asking for the which way you want to do it. Zigzag way, one way, so means it will cut in the forward direction, but it will not cut while coming back. In zigzag, the both way it will. You can see this is the zigzag way. And then one pass, in one pass only will remove all the material, and dynamics that you can give the approach where and how it is going to remove the material. So keep it one zigzag way. Depth of cut, linking parameters, I want to remove only 1 mm material from 1 to 0. That's it. Okay, so that is the excess stock which was there. I want to remove that. Okay, let me check. It's incremental. Okay, that's why. Regenerate the file. Okay, so 1 mm which was there extra, can see exactly. So that was removed from the top surface. Okay, so now select all the operations. Facing. Okay, all operations are done. Select all the operations. Okay, and click on animation. Okay, so here you can see all the operations which are like first is the rough cut, then finish cut, this is a rough cut which is happening, then drill operation, then pocketing, and then green color is your facing operation. Okay, so you need to take the printout of this. Printout of this you can take in the isometric view, that looks better. This also you can take into isometric look. Okay, this also looks better, and just generate the G codes. So just click on G1, give the file name. It will generate all the G codes which are required to perform these four operation. One is counter, second is finish, third is pocketing, one is drilling. Correct? So this is how the G codes will be generated.